December is about to end. Christmas is knocking the door. Only 8 days left for Christmas. It seems like I did my first Christmas nail art only few days ago. Anyway, today I'm going to do Christmas abstract nail art and it's fully hand painted nail art. No stamping. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's video. So starting off my manicure with base coat. After base coat, I'm applying base polish, and as base polish, I'm using Ella Mila in shade Honeymoon Bliss. And I'm using this base polish on my middle and index fingernail. I'm going to draw a few Christmassy abstract design over this base polish using these nail art tools. At first, I'm going to draw a leaf with green polish on side of my nail. For leaves, at first I am drawing a big curved thin line vertically with green polish. After drawing that line, I have added leaves separately one by one at the both sides of the line. After leaves, I am going to draw flower. To draw flower, I have just added 5 thin strokes with red polish at the bottom corner of my nail. After flower, I have added mistletoe on another part of my nail. I have just skipped leaves of the mistletoe because I have already added leaves there on another part of my nail, and my intention was to make this manicure simple so that anyone can do this nail art at the last minute. After drawing leaves, flowers and mistletoe, it's time to do some filler design. I'm just going to add few dots with gold polish in different parts of my nails, especially in the gaps. That's what called filler design. I have added few dots at the center part of the flower, sides of the leaves, on mistletoes and in few other parts. I have also added red dots on few parts which I forgot to record. Sorry for that. On rest of my nails, I have applied green and red polish about 1/3 down from my nail. Finishing off my manicure with top coat to make it long lasting. After applying top coat, I have added studs to give my manicure glamorous look. Just joking. So here is the final look of my manicure. Let me know what do you think about this manicure by commenting down below. If you liked my work, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here in my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you all.